The Survivor Filter straw is a lightweight water filter with proven protection against any unwanted objects in your drinking water. It has been used around the world by travelers, military personnel, and emergency preppers. Let's go over the basics of this water filter, what it can do, and the various ways you can use it. Like our Survivor Filter Pro Pump, it uses triple filtration technology. The first stage of filtration is the cotton pre-filter, which can be easily accessed by unscrewing the base of the water inlet and then cleaned and reused up to 1,000 liters. Each Survivor filter comes with 5 cotton pre-filters. This section is placed directly in contact with the fresh water source and provides a first line of defense to remove large particles from your water. Next is the 0.05 micron internal ultrafilter. Independent tests have shown that the ultrafilter can filter out 99.999% of our tested virus, bacteria, and staph. The internal ultrafilter can also be cleaned and backwashed up to 100,000 liters. Finally, water passes through the carbon filter mouthpiece, which is designed to help improve taste and odor of the water, as well as reduce heavy metals, chemicals, and pollutants. The carbon filter can be easily reused and replaced after 1,000 liters. There are 3 ways to use your Survivor filter. The first way is by attaching it to a 28mm threaded bottle. For example, Smart Water and Dasani water bottles in most parts of the United States have the appropriate threading and will attach to your Survivor filter effortlessly. The second way to use your Survivor filter is by attaching it to our collapsible canteens. The canteens also screw into the base of the Survivor filter. You can then squeeze water into another container or directly into your mouth. The third way is by placing it in direct contact with your fresh water source and sucking water through the filter like a straw. To learn more about this product, troubleshooting, and tips, visit us at survivorfilter.com. Want to speak to an expert? Email support@survivorfilter.com or call us toll free 1-888-602-6367.